Hey everybody, Eric with Soulbox out in the shop today working on assembly. Man, it takes a lot longer to produce these boxes, especially the assembly part. It is just super slow going. I've done some top boxes so far today, but man, it's already like halfway through the afternoon and I've hardly produced anything. I'm still trying to decide how best to put the stickers on these boxes. I think on the top box, this is what I'm trying for the time being, is to do the Solo Box sticker on the side and the Made America one over there. I'd open one of these up if they're locked. This is actually prepared to go shipping, so I'd like to open one up and show you, but I can't. At least not without clipping that off of there. So anyway, I wanted to show you really quick. This is, in 8 years, the very first and only box I've ever built that isn't black. So it's pairs over there, but it hasn't been assembled yet. So I was really excited to finally get to see this done. I'll show you the inside of this because take a look here real quick. Pretty sweet. I'm still kind of getting used to the idea of the new design, just how awesome they look. But then on top of it, to get to see a different color is pretty cool too. The guy that actually ordered these specifically wanted the lighter color because he lives someplace where it's hot, I guess, and didn't want the sun beating down on the black. So this is basically the same textured powder coating, just a different color than the black. So this is actually designed to be able to handle the UV rays and stuff. So good quality powder coating. Anyway, yeah, I like how that looks. It'll be cool to see some pictures of these boxes on a bike. I think if I remember correctly, they're going onto a KLR. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys that really quick. I need to get back into this. I've got people waiting on boxes, and so I want to make sure some of this stuff gets shipped out tomorrow. So anyway, it'll be a long night. Eric Soulbox, talk to you guys later.